Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to extend my Terraform on AWS tutorial. In my last class, I was telling about what is variable and all. So, last class I told you about what is default, what is type, declaration, descriptions, validation. Also we have done. So let me go to the type. Okay, first let me go to here. This is the documentation. So if you see the default I have already completed, and type, descriptions, validation also I have completed. So let me go to type here. So in the type, string, number and boolean we already covered it. I will explain you about list today. So the same. So what you have to do first is, uh, you can create one folder here. I will create folder name, list example, and here I create one file. See, every time when you practice, keep two file, output variable and variable, and then here also I will do the same things, but I will create only one file now for testing purpose, and then later you can separate it, or you can write in two file, everything is fine. So let me just write here list example dot tf. Okay, and see, same way, the way how we have defined the string, same way we define the variable list here, and we will have output variable here, and then print the output. Okay, so first let me go to here and create me one variable called this list variable. So I'm putting here employee name only I will keep, employee names I will keep. Okay, and here type, will be list, and list of what, list of string I will keep, because employee name will be Amit, Sumit, Mayank, all those things will be the string only. And then you can, if you want default, you can keep the default value, and description also you can keep. Let me just put description, default I will put later. Description is uh, anything that is related to your variable, uh, employee name. And then I'll create output variable here, output, and then print employee name, and I'll keep value what I want to print. I want to print the employee name, so I'll put var dot imp name. Okay, that's all. So just let me run it. So first of all I need to come out of this path, and my path is list example, cd list example, and here I need to run terraform plan command. Correct, terraform plan command. So as you know, I have not given the default value here, and I will not pass any var, uh, that is keyword argument. So it will ask me to write employee names. So employee name, what I have to give, I have to give in the list format. So how you can give in the list format? Simple, it keep double quote, and then put like Amit. Okay, Amit, and then Sumit, close it. So what is the problem here is, it is asking the root module is not set. Okay, so because of because why this error is, because I'm putting double quote there. So no problem, just put like this Amit and Sumit. Okay, this is list, and you can see it is printing here. Okay, so but now what I want to give the default value. Let me just put here default value is Amit, and default value is Ramesh, Suresh, and Mohan. So you know all these things because we are already learned what is the default value. It means now if you run the Terraform command, just clear it. If you run Terraform plan command here, then what will happen is, it will not ask, it will not prompt you to write employee name. It will directly print Ramesh, Suresh and Mohan. Okay, but now if you want to provide some name, then you can use the var argument in from the command prompt, and you can pass the variable. So how you can do it, this is also simple, and it is the same like how you are giving in other variable, same way you can give here. So let me just write it, terraform plan, and write here var, and var means which variable name is employee name, so put here employee names, and equal to, you have to put Amit and Sumit, whatever variable you can, you want to pass. Okay, and put it in single quote. So it is failed. Why? Because I've given the val here. This is var, that is the typo. I have to keep here var. Okay, you can see here it is printing Amit and Sumit, it's not printing the default value. So this is the one two things I want to tell you. The now what I want is, if you see my previous example, I am I want to print here, instead of directly the value, I want to print employee R Amit Sumit, like that. Okay, in that case, if you want to keep like this, so what you can do is, simple things is, just you can take this variable dollar and variable name, right? So if I'll copy this here, and I want to keep, like, I want to print like employee names are, okay, and control V, and here is employee names, right? Put here employee name, let's see what happens, and then close it. Okay, see, we are getting here error saying that no declaration found var dot imp name. This is the error. So why this is happening here is because this is string and this is list. Var dot employee name is list. Okay, and you want to concatenate string and list together here, so it is giving me error. So what you can do here is, you can either, you can just print the one first value, because you know like list is list having index in that. So this is 0 index, this is one index. So if you just put 0 here, okay, it will work, or if you put 1 here, it will work, because now it becomes string. If you not put 0 to 1, it is list. And to use list with a string, there is a, you have to use a join method, that I will tell you how you can do it. But let me just show you this part, means using uh, this is also important. Let's suppose that you want to fetch only first value. Okay, so what will happen here, let me just run it. So come here and write here terraform plan command. Terraform plan command, you can see it is printing employee names are Ramesh, or if I want to keep one here, it will give you employee name is Suresh. Okay, so I hope you understand how you can take the value from the index, but that is not our goal. I want to print both all together. So what you can do, there is, you have to convert your list to string, and that string should contain all the name, means this is your list, and you want to convert that into string with some separator like comma or slash or anything like, Ramesh comma Suresh, or Ramesh dot Suresh, anything like that. So there is one method called join. If you come here, there is method. If you come here in the function, anyway in the next video I will tell you more about the function, but for learning purpose here, if you come here and then see string, and come to your join function, you can see join is taking one separator. Let's suppose that my variable is Ramesh Suresh Mohan, so it will take Ramesh Suresh Mohan, and then whatever the separator you are giving, based on that separator it will separate your list and give you one string. So now it will become string. Now string and string you can concatenate, and you can write it into one place right here. So that's why what I will do is remove this one. Okay, use the join method, join, and join with what I want to join with, comma. Okay, and second variable is list. So this is list. So that's all. So employee R, it will give Ramesh and Suresh, or whatever the username, whatever the variable you will pass. So clear it and run Terraform plan. You can see it is printing employee name, because employee names are, this is string, till here is string. Now you, with the help of join function, we converted our list into string, that is comma separated, and now you can just concatenate, means it is full thing is string. You can write the value, the string, you can write string inside double quote, so it will work fine. So that's all for this video. Hope you have understand how you can use the uh, list